Begin. You have to tell what's happening.
On the island of Florida. Sometimes engines make you sick, but sometimes they don't. They do. But sometimes there's accidents. And some culture. And so you meet a friend named Neville. There's going to be a volcano erupting. Joey, but they not talk about that because they don't know.
You have to.
Okay. But Joey, how about when they get to the volcano and they're not there yet?
No.
Are they going there now?
Yeah. No. They're not there yet.
But they're on their way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then Joey looked at the river and then Neville. He's taking a shortcut and he's taking a long cut.
I'm taking a shortcut too. I don't know which one I can pull.
Just pick one.
I end up taking a train because there's no freight cars. I only took two.
Hi, what are you doing? Oh, I'm just checking around. Moving passengers around the island. What's up this hill? Wow! That's the highest tunnel I ever seen. Well, not a tunnel. Well, maybe a tunnel. But
Percy. And you have to go fast to get to the volcano.
And he's only came fast to Lucas.
Yep.
Wow!
Mine has to jump down.
Uh-oh, what do they see?
A volcano.
And he's gonna bump into it. Joey! Stop it! You're ruining it!
This is part of our movie,
It
Ari.
can't be a tunnel though.
Use nice words.
It will break.
But Joey, you're the one who's making it. Do it.
But mine, you're some pretend he moved here and he thought erupting.
Are they watching the volcano? It's about to erupt.
Look at Luke accidentally filled some cup.
Ari, is yours watching the volcano? Okay, here it goes. Are they scared?
No, mine isn't.
Okay. It's going to rain into the volcano.
I don't want to get sprayed by it, Leslie.
Stay back. Look! The volcano is erupting! What do the engines say about that?
Whoa! Daddy, volcano.
What's the red part?
That's the hot lava.
Oh, Jack tooted bound.
What do the little engines say?
Whoa! Daddy, biggest volcano I ever saw.
Uh-oh, I hope it doesn't erupt some more.
It's erupted a lot.
Oops.
Oh, it's erupted a lot.
Uh-huh.
Do you see how much is erupting?
It's erupting like crazy.
I wonder when that eruption is up.
Me too, because I really want to leave.
I never saw a volcano doing that.
Me either. I never saw a volcano erupting. Or I need to put all this back in it.
Okay.
It all fell out.
Accidentally filled it. That's okay because I didn't do make accident.
Ah! Oh.
So are the little engines going to chug away and tell their friends about the volcano?
All the friends they can see.
Okay, goodbye little
Mom,
engines.
Can you erupt